Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to select a particular sentence which has a from a text file. Okay, so here we are going to have a text file. Okay, I'm opening the text file with the name 12dcs2.txt. As it is a text file, we are giving the extension text.txt, and then we are opening this file in write mode. Only then we can write all these informations in the inside the file. Okay, and I'm using write function to write all these statements. So if you notice this, so only two statements are having the letter A, not the other two out of four. Okay, so I'm closing the file. Now I'm opening the file once again. I'm opening one more file. The old file I'm opening in read mode. The new file I'm writing opening in write mode. Okay, and using the split function, we are splitting each and every word, and then we are checking line by line. Okay, so once the word is found, you are writing in A. That is, you are writing in the other file. Okay, and we are closing both the files. Now we are opening both the files in read mode, and we are printing the both information, and we are closing it. Okay, so that's all. Let us run this program. So here is the output for the program. Okay, so we have given four sentences. Out of these four, only two sentences has the letter A. Okay, and if even you can even change the words or whatever the word which you wanted to search. Okay, so hope you understand this program. We'll meet you in another program. Thank you. Happy learning.